Number 1. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,000. This truck is powered by a reliable 4.3-liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. With 275,000 miles on the odometer, the truck remains a dependable daily driver and has been well maintained throughout its life. It features a green exterior complemented by a gray interior, giving it a classic and timeless appearance. The body is in great shape, and the paint remains in good condition. Recent maintenance includes a complete tune-up with new spark plugs, ignition wires, engine sensors, a fresh oil change, and a new clutch master cylinder assembly. The air conditioning blows cold, ensuring comfort in all driving conditions. Additional upgrades and features include sport mirrors, American racing wheels, power windows, new door panels, new carpeting, and a new front grille. Overall, this Chevrolet 1500 presents itself as a solid, well-kept truck that combines classic styling, practical features, and dependable performance.
Number 2.
1994 GMC 1500, price $9,000, equipped with the premium SLE trim package and the extended Club Coupe Cab configuration. Powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, the truck offers a classic combination of performance and comfort. Finished in green with a gray cloth interior, this GMC has accumulated 151,000 miles and has been well maintained over the years. The SLE package adds several desirable features, including power windows, power door locks, cruise control, and a comfortable cloth cabin designed for everyday driving and long-distance travel. The vehicle comes with a clean title in hand, making it a solid choice for anyone seeking a well-equipped, classic full-size pickup with proven V8 power and the practicality of the extended Club Coupe design.
Number 3.
1997 Ford F250, price $10,000. This truck is equipped with the legendary 7.3L Power-Stroke V8 diesel engine and a 4-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. Showing only 166,000 miles, this well-maintained 4x4 pickup runs and drives excellent, with no known mechanical issues. Finished in green with a gray interior, it offers a durable and classic appearance both inside and out. The truck has been consistently cared for throughout its life and remains in strong condition. It comes equipped with power windows, power door locks, an AM/FM radio, and air conditioning that blows ice cold. The 4x4 system functions properly, making it capable both on and off the road. Additional features include dual fuel tanks, an engine block heater plug, and a set of Michelin tires that still have plenty of life remaining.
Number 4.
1989 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,500. It features a striking black exterior paired with a red interior, and it is powered by a gasoline engine. Despite the overall mileage, the truck benefits from a remanufactured 305 V8 engine with fewer than 20,000 miles and a remanufactured transmission with fewer than 30,000 miles. The vehicle has received several recent upgrades and maintenance items, including a new fuel tank, new fuel pump, new fuel filter, and a new serpentine belt. Performance enhancements include an air-rate air intake system and a dual exhaust setup with Flowmaster mufflers. Inside, the truck has been upgraded with a Grant steering wheel, a Sun-Pro tachometer, and a bucket seat conversion featuring a folding center armrest for added comfort. The exterior is complemented by Eagle Alloy 15x10 wheels and Beltec rear lowering shackles, giving the truck a more aggressive stance and classic custom truck appearance.
Number 5.
1982 Ford F100, price $4,000. It has 106,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a reliable 4.9L 300 inline-6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a distinctive orange exterior complemented by a matching orange interior, giving it a classic and eye-catching appearance. It runs and drives great, comes with a clean title in hand, and successfully passes DQ inspections. The truck is in good overall condition but does have a few minor issues that should be addressed. The windshield wipers and wiper motor need replacement, the tires are old and may require updating, and there is a tear in the upholstery. Overall, this is a solid classic Ford pickup that offers dependable performance and plenty of character, making it a great candidate for daily driving, restoration, or collection.
Number 6.
1996 Ford F150, price $4,000, clean and well-maintained classic truck that runs and drives very well. Equipped with a reliable 5.8L gasoline engine and an automatic transmission, it delivers the power and dependability that Ford trucks are known for. The vehicle currently has approximately 170,000 miles and has been kept in good overall condition. Finished in white with a gray interior, this F150 has an attractive appearance both inside and out. The air conditioning works properly and blows cold, providing comfort during hot weather. The interior is exceptionally clean, well cared for, and comes from a non-smoking environment, making it a pleasant place to spend time behind the wheel. The body and paint are in good condition for a truck of this age, showing no rust and maintaining a solid appearance.
Number 7.
1992 Dodge Dakota, price $6,000, reliable pickup truck that has been well maintained and is ready to handle everyday work duties. Powered by a gasoline engine and equipped with an automatic transmission, it offers dependable performance for hauling materials, tools, or equipment. The truck has 124,000 miles on the odometer and features a gray exterior paired with a gray interior. It comes with a 6-foot bed, making it an excellent work truck for transporting cargo and other large items. Mechanically, it has been well cared for throughout its life and recently received an oil change and transmission service. While the exterior could benefit from some cosmetic attention, the truck remains in solid working condition and is a practical choice for anyone looking for a dependable utility vehicle.
Number 8.
2001 Dodge Dakota, price $3,000, dependable and affordable pickup truck that has traveled 167,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in gray with a matching gray interior, this single-cab, short-bed Dakota comes equipped with the desirable Sport package, offering a practical and stylish design. The truck features a clean Carfax report and has been well maintained throughout its ownership. It runs and drives great, with a clean interior and exterior that reflect the care it has received over the years. Whether being used as a reliable work truck or a comfortable daily driver, this Dodge Dakota delivers solid performance and versatility. Ready for its next owner, it offers an excellent combination of value, dependability, and utility.
Number 9.
1969 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,000, powered by a gasoline-fed BBC 454 engine paired with a TH400 automatic transmission. The truck features a gold exterior complemented by a black interior. It carries a clean title and is currently registered as non-op. Performance upgrades include a Schneider camshaft along with an Edelbrock carburetor and intake manifold. Recent maintenance and replacement parts include a new fuel tank, radiator, distributor, spark plugs and wires, locker shifter, and battery. This is a long bed model and offers a solid foundation for restoration or continued use. While it is not a show-quality truck, it remains structurally sound overall. There is visible rust damage on the roof drip rails and in areas where water accumulated inside the doors and body panels.
Number 10.
1998 Mazda B250, price $2,900, with 136,000 original miles on the odometer. This compact work truck is equipped with a 2.5L 4-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a gray exterior and gray interior, providing a clean and classic appearance. The vehicle has been well maintained and remains a practical choice for light-duty work or daily use. It comes with cold air conditioning and a towing package, making it suitable for a variety of tasks. The truck is also reported to be rust-free, which is a notable advantage for a vehicle of its age. The engine runs and the truck is drivable, however, it currently has a misfire issue. Additionally, the vehicle has an exhaust leak that will need attention.